Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to cover up acne, whether it's a large pimple or acne all over. This video is going to help you out. I was inspired to do this video because I had a massive breakout on my cheek from a product that just did not work for my skin. So I wanted to show you guys that even if you do have acne, you can still create a flawless face. The first product that you're going to need is a full coverage concealer. I'm using this one from NARS. Full coverage concealers usually come in a pot. You'll find that the texture is a little bit less creamy and it's thicker. I like to take a concealer brush and focus applying the product just in that area to cover up the acne. You can build the coverage quite a bit because we are still going to blend it out. Next, we're going to apply foundation. My little trick for this is to take your everyday foundation and then take a tiny drop of a full covered foundation like this one from Smashbox and add it to your everyday foundation. You're just going to mix the two together. This is going to give you just a little bit more coverage than you normally get, and this is going to help create a very flawless finish on your skin. Next, we want to lock everything in and kind of create an airbrush finish to your skin. So I'm using this loose setting powder from One Size, and using a puff, I'm going to just very gently push this product onto my skin. This is literally going to create a beautiful blurring effect to make your skin look absolutely flawless. So you can see no acne anywhere in sight with just a few very simple steps. The last step I like to do is use a setting spray. I love this one from Makeup Forever, the Mist and Fix. The setting spray can give your skin like this beautiful dewy finish, whereas if you use a regular highlighter, it can really make acne stand out. So I try to stay away from highlighters on acne prone skin. That is the final look, how you can create beautiful flawless skin. Even if you have acne, you can still create that illusion of perfect looking skin.